What's up, all the technician? Here's the DIY Pinoy technician. Please like, share, and if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and click all to notify you in my future video. So, yun guys. At here's the board for the KODAK i4250, and the problem is this one, the port. So you can see the port is damaged. So we have the port here, but is a different color. So mine is like blue color, this one is black color. So what you need is to remove this one as possible without damaging all the component or all the components. So you need a solder wick, you need a soldering lead, you need alcohol, a brush to clean the plaques after the this one's replaced. So sorry for my English, I'm not fluent in English. I just want you to know how to replace this one like quick as possible without damaging the tiny component, the SMD component. Yeah, you can see in here, but that's a super tiny component. But if you're not able to if you don't have capable to do, you know, the electronics, if you didn't technician or electronic technician, please don't do this, because for me it's easy to replace this one because I know how to do this. But if you guys just like a regular or a normal, a normal person that it's hard to do this, just call somebody or call a technician to replace this one, or just like ship to me to replace it. So it depends on the board, but this board I got the KODAK. So for because this one is a scanner, what's that, i4250, so that's a scanner. So yeah, so we need only this. This one is a pine seal direct hit soldering iron. So as you can see right there, so I just gonna do is put the new soldering lead to every pin in here, so from the smaller to bigger, but it depends on the temperature. Like in the bigger you need the 350 degrees Celsius, and the smaller is only a 300 degrees Celsius to 310 degrees Celsius. So that's why I told you to, that you need this one. So this one is to remove all the soldering lead in here after we put the new one. So it's more faster to remove this soldering lead here by putting this new, because the lead here, it's high temperature soldering lead. That's why it's hard to remove this without putting a new one, okay? Because this one is like a low melt solder. So yeah, so I'm gonna do is I need a film extractor and power this soldering iron. So my film extractor has a pedal switch. So if I put my feet, if I put my feet in pedal, it's turning on. So right now I'm gonna put it to 300 or 310 right there. So now turn on the fume extractor and put the new one here, right there. Put more, 320. So now it's a new soldering lead in the pin. So now this one is like a low melt already. So if we apply when we use the wick, it's more faster to remove it. You can see that, see, it's just like remove a little bit in right there. So I'm just gonna come back, guys, after removing all of this, so you can see what I doing. Okay, so there you go, guys. You can see the lead, or the soldering lead, is removed. So now we can remove this port right there. So guys, be careful about this C1287 and this FB116, because I think that's a sensor. So if you damage this one, or for sure there's a problem, it's gonna be big problem to this board, because we don't know what's the value of that one. So this one is the new one, as you can see, and just put in here, make sure it's fit right there, see. And gonna use the soldering iron again. Gonna put it to 325 or 20 right there. So I need to solder the small pin, and then after that we're gonna put a 350 degrees Celsius for the big pin. Okay, so right now fume extractor. So I'm gonna do is, I want to make sure that this one flat to the board, so it's not side, or it's not a slant or like that. Yeah, guys, so I want to make sure it's really flat. So right here, 320C. So right now I'm gonna put here to the 9 and then to the 3 right here. Okay, so I know it's already unremovable. Okay, and then so on, guys. So 5, 4 right there, and then goes back here and then goes to 2, and then goes here, and then goes to the 1, and in the middle right there. So I'm just gonna redo it a little bit. Clean the tip. Right there, guys. And we're gonna put it to 350 right here, 350 degrees Celsius right there, to the big one, guys. Okay, so right now there you go, guys. It's better than the machine. See? So right there, guys, you can see everything is better than machine right there, guys. Super clean, super shiny right there. So to anyone wants to fix their ports for the printer, let me know. Contact me to email, or you can text me or DM me, guys. Yeah. So alright, guys, see you in the next video. Bye, peace.